Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, let's open the application to check if you have the last software version. So you need to use EDIFIER Connect app, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the application. After that you need to check information is maybe you have something about update. I haven't because I have the last software version, and update it if you haven't. Then, if it didn't help you, I recommend to place your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. After that, you wait about 15 seconds and the battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update, so then you just open the charging case and check it. And if this method didn't help you also, I recommend it to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case this time. Open the lid, and on the right side we have connectional button. So we need to perform a factory reset, and to do this you need to press 3 times at this button when your earbuds inside the charging case. 1, 2, 3, the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. And now we need to remove these earbuds from the phone and then edit. Go to the settings and then Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you don't need to use connectional button, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!